Hello everyone, my name is Nay. Welcome to my channel. For my newcomers, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for all my other followers, welcome back. And I wanted to say I love you guys so much. Today I am coming to you with a drum roll, please. Okay, I'm not doing too much. A Telfar review, unboxing. Your girl got a Telfar bag. This is her first luxury bag. It's black owned and I just had to get one. So yes, so make sure you guys stick around for that. Alright, this is the box it came in and I'm just excited. I did get the medium size and let's unbox it, y'all. So yes, it came in this bag. Box, alright. And this is the packaging. I know, I'm so excited so you guys can see. And it comes with this plastic bag and as well as like a mini bag underneath here, but it comes in this plastic Ziploc bag, excuse me. So let's open it. Ta-da! I just like how they have the packaging like double in case UPS or something get water, because that's that cardboard material, so it could get damaged, water damage or anything. So I'm glad that they put the plastic on top of this bag to protect the bag, which was really, really nice. All right, y'all ready? Because I'm ready. Your girl is ready because she is about to rock her little Telfar bag. So here we go. I got the cream. I know I'm so dramatic. So it comes, okay, this is a piece of paper. So it comes with the straps and this is the medium size. I really prefer smaller bags, but this medium size is a good size for those who always questioned like if they wanted the medium and small. I do want the smaller one as well because you can just throw your phone, your little wallet and keys in there, lip gloss, hand sanitizer and stuff and keep it moving. This one I would probably carry and put my MacBook in, if I'm traveling or something, and I'll just carry it too because pay money for it, you might as well carry it. But I love this color because it can go with anything. It's a neutral color. Now you cannot detach the straps. Of course they are already attached in there, so you can't unattach them. And of course it has, this is the Telfar tag, and they have the tag in here as well. It comes with a pocket, a zip pocket in here. So this is pretty spacious. It's a lot more space for me. I'm just be throwing everything in it, but I would definitely carry this as if I'm going on a trip, as a carry-on bag. But it's really nice. It's vegan leather, so it smells really nice. So yeah, this is it and I love it. So this was a good purchase. I believe this one was $200. Yeah, because the small one is $150. So you $50 more and get you the next size, which is big enough. It's big enough for me. It's wide enough. So yeah, I love it. So So yeah, this is my Telfar bag review, and I am very, very happy with my purchase. I am. Because you know, your girl can't afford the big name brand, but I was able to purchase this, and I've been wanting one, especially being Black owned. So I love it, and I'll probably I want the small one, so I might get the small one, and then that'll be it for your girl. But yeah, I am so happy with my purchase. So you let me know which one you like, the small, the medium, the large. This, by the way, is the medium, and it's great quality. So yeah, so if you a Telfar girl, let me know what you got in the comments below. And I just want to say thank you for watching my review. I know this was short and simple, but I just really wanted to come on here to show you guys my review of the medium Telfar bag, and I am so happy. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And and just let me know if you got a Telfar bag and how you like it. And yeah, so see you next time.